Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can turn off password for PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, you're gonna find all of your games and applications. In the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. If you go here to the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, and here on the right you're gonna find search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. If you click on your profile icon, right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find online status, profile, trophies, switch user, and logout. So right now go ahead and click on settings, and then once you click on settings, here you're gonna find accessibility, network, users and accounts, family and parental control system, and so on. Go ahead and click on users and accounts, and then right here you're gonna find accounts, family, privacy, linked service, authorized apps, and other, and here you're gonna find login settings. Go ahead and click on login settings, and then here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find two options: login to PS5 automatically, and here you're gonna find require a PS5 login passcode. So I'm going to add a PS5 passcode, for example, this one. And then, as you can see guys, right now, if you want to remove the login passcode, it's pretty easy. Just go ahead and click on delete your PS5 login passcode, like this, and then enter your passcode. And as you can see guys right here, your login passcode will be deleted. Click on OK, and this is how you can do it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.